Kinongelam na kiseng bhalang beper bat kipat ba na Garo Hills ha kesngi baar kilalit banya kendo ya ulat kejela UCH Vijaya Shankar haluk bhavan bandawa ban penkela kat tukat ni ki kendon ki bede bat ke election district council. Ha kani ke kunhun ladon lang ke Garo Students Union GSU bat ke FKGGP ADE bat NAD ki bala IT da ke memorandum ban penpau ke jingsngokya halor ke jingyadon benta ki bomde ki trajela ha ke election ADC ha Garo Hills. Hadin ke jingyalang President ke GSU u Tengsak G Momin ulaong ba ke kunhun kaladawa ban penlong ke badon kam ya ke Schedule Tribe ST certificate na ke benta ki bayakun election bat ru ki bathap vote. Kekenhuan kaladawa ru ban penkela ya ke rule shispa ar pupra jong ke ADC rules khat khandai san pupra ban yada bha ya ke hok jong ki trai muluk bat ban pet biang ya ke paragraph 12A jong ke constitution.
That there has been a disturbing situation going on in Garo Hills regarding the participation of the non-tribals in the district council. We all know that one. So, as a matter of fact, we met the government for one point only, that the scheduled tribe certificate be made mandatory. It must be made mandatory for any participation for voting or contesting in the district council election. That is one of the point. Now another point is amending Rule 128. Actually, Rule 128 A. So we asked the governor that certain words should be inserted. Just like indigenous scheduled tribe of Garo Hills must be inserted in that particular rule. And another is this one, District Council Composition Executive Committee Chapter 1 General. Here for qualification for membership, again paragraph 8A, these words, indigenous scheduled tribe of Garo Hills must be inserted so that non-tribals cannot vote in the District Council. So we talk about amending the Para 12A also. This discussion has been going on because we have a series of meetings with the KSU also, FKGGP here in Shillong also. So we have been asking for the amendment of the Para 12A because this Para 12A, the government of Meghalaya incessantly interferes in the district council rules through this Para 12A. So we talk with the governor whether there is a possibility to amend the Para 12A. So the governor has been his response has been quite positive, and the governor was talking about SIR also, whether SIR should be implemented before commencing with the district council elections. So these are the certain things we have discussed with the governor, and the governor said that the Honorable Chief Minister has met with the Honorable Governor also. So they have discussion regarding the some amendments in the rules, election rules. Some amendments in the election rule, particularly the mandatory scheduled tribe certificate, which must be possessed by any person to contest or vote in the district council election. To my Khasi brothers, my Jaintia brothers, I'm very, very grateful to all the tribals, indigenous tribals of Northeast, because all of them have been calling me up and saying that we are together. Even my Khasi brothers, they said they will be fighting together with us also. If needed, I need to call upon them only, so they will be coming. So I'm very, very grateful. I'm very, very thankful. Thank you, my Khasi brothers. Thank you, my Jaintia brothers and sisters. Thank you.
Yesterday, this council in a special session
I've stated Rule 128. I think they have not talked about amending the Rule 128 actually, but yes, in a way. So that's why I was saying indigenous scheduled tribe of Garo Hills must be included in that amendment.